Managing money is really a creative, intellectual pursuit. And when you're thinking about putting a team together, you value a number of different things: intellectual curiosity, hard work, differences and diversity of thought and approaches to solving problems.
When we bring people onto the trading team, they typically have a skill set that we don't have on the team. And so I'm looking for as diverse a set of skill sets as possible.
I'd say we have a very collaborative team. We all work closely together. We typically sit together on the trading floor. We meet every single day for the news meetings.
We have a daily meeting where the whole team gets together. Each research associate walks through what's going on in their region. We get to discuss with the portfolio manager, senior analysts, etc., to see if anything will drive an investment idea.
The traders and the portfolio management team and research are all sitting together here in Boston. We are having active conversations about all sorts of topics, whether it's a Fed meeting or a US CPI print or Nigeria's latest reform. Nobody is holding back in terms of voicing opinions that might run somewhat contrary to what others think.
The hardest part, but also the most rewarding part, is looking at countries that are undercovered by others. So these are countries that sell-side does not send any research pieces on. They themselves don't release a lot of data and information. So it's actually very difficult to get the information on these countries. Once you do compile these pieces into a mosaic, it's very rewarding to see that you have a whole picture of a country that not a lot of people have a whole picture on.
Ultimately, I think allowing everybody speak up about all the topics that are important to us, it is additive to the process because I have my blind spots, and so a good idea could come from an unexpected corner.
But at the end of the day, we're not trying to come up with a group consensus on what's going to happen next and express that through the portfolio. We are letting the different team members who focus on different parts of the world or different parts of the asset class make what they see as the best investment decisions in the part of the world that they're responsible for.
This is just the constant rolling up our sleeves and doing the numbers and making the calculations and then putting those ideas to work.
There's lots of people's voices and decisions that have gone into that portfolio. And I think through the individual accountability and the diversification of decision makers throughout the team, that brings balance to the portfolio.